These sardines don't slowly travel. They rush from ocean to factory in hours. Every second matters here, Kosir. Machines move faster than human hands can follow.
You've seen just a glimpse. The full sardine factory story shows every step Corning. Watch the complete video next.
The journey of a sardine begins at sea, with skilled hands and seasoned boats. Precision and timing are key to catching the freshest sardines. Every fish is carefully handled, ensuring quality before it leaves the ocean.
Immediate chilling preserves freshness for the journey to the factory.
From sea to shore, each sardine is prepared for the next phase of production.
Once ashore, sardines are swiftly loaded into refrigerated trucks to maintain peak freshness.
Controlled temperatures on the road ensure the sardines' quality remains intact. Every mile is carefully monitored, bridging the ocean harvest and the factory floor.
Arrival at the factory marks the start of the transformation from raw catch to canned product.
Careful unloading ensures the sardines reach the next phase in perfect condition. The factory stands ready, a hub where freshness meets modern processing technology. Strict entry protocols maintain hygiene and ensure a controlled environment inside.
Every step is organized, from reception to the heart of the production line.
The journey continues as the fish are prepared for their first factory transformation.
From arrival to conveyor, the sardines are smoothly guided into the processing heart of the factory. The first step inside the factory, a thorough wash to remove salt, scales, and impurities. Skilled eyes ensure only the best sardines continue through the production line. Advanced grading machines streamline sorting, maintaining consistency and efficiency.
Maintaining the right temperature preserves freshness as sardines move closer to canning.
Careful transfer ensures the sardines are ready for the factory's core transformation stage.
Sardines are first cooked in controlled boiling tanks to preserve texture and flavor.
After cooking, careful cooling ensures the fish are ready for further processing.
Dewatering prepares each sardine for precise handling in the next step. Skilled workers ensure uniformity, a crucial step before sardines meet their cans. Now the sardines are ready to enter the heart of the canning process.
Sardines are precisely loaded into cans, ready for sealing and preservation. Each can receives the perfect amount of oil or sauce, enhancing flavor and shelf life.
Sealing locks in freshness, ensuring every sardine reaches the consumer in perfect condition.
High-temperature sterilization guarantees food safety while preserving taste.
Careful cooling readies the cans for labeling and final touches.
Advanced labeling machines ensure every can is correctly marked for distribution. Automated tracking guarantees full traceability from factory to store shelves. Every can is verified for weight and seal integrity to maintain premium quality.
High-tech robots organize cans efficiently, readying them for shipment.
Automation ensures speed, precision, and consistency across the factory floor.
Every can undergoes a meticulous visual inspection to ensure flawless appearance.
A final polish guarantees each can is ready for consumers and store shelves.
Precision counters ensure exact quantities in every carton for consistency.
Sealed cartons protect the product, maintaining quality until it reaches the market.
The finishing line ensures every can is perfectly packaged and ready for inspection.
Random samples are taken to ensure every batch meets strict quality standards.
Scientific testing guarantees safety, taste, and nutritional consistency.
Trained senses complement technology to confirm product excellence.
Every batch receives a final sign-off, ensuring only the best cans proceed to market.
With quality verified, sardines are ready for final packaging, storage, and dispatch.
Cartons are organized on pallets, preparing for efficient storage and transport.
The warehouse keeps products safe, maintaining order and accessibility for dispatch. Pallets are loaded with care into trucks, ready to deliver freshness to stores worldwide. Distribution begins, connecting factory precision with global markets.